I'm showing you a tutorial how to make pizza rolls. First, you go to your freezer to make pizza rolls and get the pizza rolls. Get a plate right here. It's only because I just ate some already. Close the freezer and then open your pizza rolls. I'm gonna have 5 pizza rolls. I'm gonna get 5 pizza rolls. Oh my god, I'm gonna get 5.
Making a video?
Yes, how to make pizza rolls. I'm going to get 5. What are they for? 5. Okay. Put it back in the freezer. Put it back into the freezer. Close it. Okay. Open your microwave. Pizza rolls and put them in the microwave. Okay.
Eat up with pizza rolls.
And then wait.